Hello, today we're going to show you how we did hot ice or sodium acetate with vinegar and baking soda. The materials we used for this project were clear vinegar, sodium bicarbonate, a saucepan, and a spoon. The first thing we did was putting 1 liter of clear vinegar in the saucepan. After that we added baking soda to the vinegar. We added it a little at a time and stirring between additions. The baking soda and vinegar react to form sodium acetate and carbon dioxide gas. If you don't add the baking soda slowly, you'll basically get a baking soda and vinegar volcano. After that, we boiled the solution in order to concentrate the sodium acetate. We boiled the solution until we had about 100 to 150 milliliters of solution remaining. The easiest way to get good results is to simply boil the solution till a crystal skin starts to form on the surface. We didn't see that in our experiment, but we just noticed that we had to stop because we had very little liquid. This took a little more than an hour on the stove over medium heat. This is what the saucepan looked like after the boiling. As you can see, a little bit of crystals were formed around the edges of the saucepan, and then we put a little bit more of the solution for it to concentrate completely. After we removed the sodium acetate solution from the heat, we immediately covered it to prevent any further evaporation. And then we placed the covered container of sodium acetate solution in the refrigerator to rest. And also you should not have any crystals in your solution. If you do have crystals, then stir a very small amount of water or vinegar into the solution, just enough to dissolve the crystals. After putting the sodium acetate solution out of the fridge, it was in there for about 45 minutes. We scratched some of the crystals that were on the edges and at the bottom of the saucepan. And then we put them into the solution, and we started to see that some crystals started to form.
Why does this happen? When you mix baking soda with vinegar, a chemical reaction occurs, releasing carbon dioxide in the forms of gas bubbles. Also, produced in liquid form, there is sodium acetate. When the sodium acetate boils, the majority of the water in the mixture evaporates, leaving a supersaturated solution that solidifies at temperatures below 54 degrees Celsius. The solution is overcooled as a result of a rapid cooling in the refrigerator. It stays in a liquid state despite being at a temperature below its solidification temperature. This condition is unstable. Any minor perturbation causes the molecules to order and crystallize. Energy is released in the form of heat during the crystallization process that is called an exothermic reaction.